Hey guys, this is Kyle with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. It's a really nice sunny day out here, so I'm gonna show you this cool rig. This one's a 2022 Lance model 2075. Okay, Lances are really known to being one of the only true Four Seasons trailers. So what that means is you can take it out in the snow, you can take it out in the desert, and you could still be very insulated and feel whichever, whether you want to be cold or warm in your actual trailer, and it'll actually, keep you warm or cold. Another cool thing about Lances, man, look at this tray. Super long. I love the Lances that they do this tray so you don't have to take your whole body and actually go inside of there. You can actually just grab this tray and then grab it from there, which is really, really convenient. Thank you, Lance, for doing that. Really, really awesome. You got solar capabilities here. You can hook up your own solar panel as well. A couple things about the outside of the coach. There's just, we got the awning up here, which is awesome, but we got to check out the very, very back of this coach because this one is super different. So right here you have your, you got some storage, and it closes like this, but when it's open, there's a couple different things back here. So instead of putting stuff on the side of the trailer, they actually made it to where it's in the back. So we actually have a fridge back here, and it's all pull out. Like, look at this. What? Holy moly. I ain't never seen anything like this before. And then you also got this really cool place right here. This is where all the barbecuing is gonna happen, you see? We got a sink right there, and yes, we also have a 2-burner stove cooktop as well, and hookups to propane. You can barbecue in the back with no slide out. Come on, man, this is so awesome. You ain't never seen anything like, I ain't never seen anything like this. This is absolutely insane. So to be able to party in the back, truly, and you can also just be hanging out inside of the trailer, which is where we're gonna go next. I feel like in this one, it's almost as if I'm in an airplane. So, yep, the true Four Seasons, just like I was telling you. Look at this door. It's so different. It's honestly built like a plane door, right? This is the open and the close mechanism. It's really cool. Come on inside. So for a little bit smaller trailer, it's a really nice, layout here. We got the couch in the back, we got mid kitchen, and then the front bedroom. So a lot of space here. I don't feel super cramped. I'm kind of a big guy, so I don't feel like crammed up against the table or anything like that. You also see these compartments right above. There's also some accent lighting. Look at this. It's honestly like you're in an airplane. And I don't like turbulence or any airplanes really, but man, this is really nice. So you got all this storage up here and 4 different types right there. This also does convert into a sleeping space as well. They got the JBL premium sound in here. See, they even have a big speaker down here. They're really putting in some really good quality things here, guys. You think that this is just a little countertop, but this is actually a place where you can store other things. So it's a place for your wine or any other things that you want to put in there that look circle shape related. Look at this. This also is adjustable shelving here. It's just so crazy. They're really getting creative with all of this space here. You even got some drawers down here. And it's kind of like a sideways drawer. So you notice how I was struggling right there a little bit, but hey, they're getting super creative with all of the space here. They really put everything that you need just within this small little trailer. Okay, going into the kitchen area, once again, we got more of this storage up here, but they also hide away the microwave too. In other coaches, you can just see that the microwave is just kind of like standing out there, right? But not in this one. You can actually put it away and make it look nice and tucked away. You got a 2-burner stove cooktop as well as the sink. It does come with a removable nozzle as well. And I also love the lighting in here and the windows. There's almost an emergency exit on each and every one of these windows, okay? So if you need to get out for some odd reason, you totally can. We got electrical outlets right here. And look at this. We got drawers. This one is a pretty deep one as well. Really, really beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look in this bathroom really quick. Before we do that, check out the Sansui TV. And it does swivel around, so if you want to host guests and entertain them while they're at the dining room table, you totally can. Check out that bathroom. Super, super cool. Nice walk-in shower there. Obviously, you got the space in the top, so for all my tall people, you totally can fit in there as well. You also got this Norcold refrigerator too. Lots and lots of space. A little bit of space up there. Then we also do have one AC unit in this one, okay? So that one's really, really cool. Okay, we also have this in the bedroom. We do have a separation curtain. So if you want it to be separated, you totally can. But yeah, now look at this bedroom. It's definitely different than any other one. Nice small little compact trailer. They even see on the sides here, they got the electric outlets and the USB ports there too. So they really put it right by the head of the bed, so you can actually put everything up there. So really, really nice. You also got those lights out there, and you got the wardrobe closets on both sides. And then on these drawers on the bottom here, they're also soft close as well. So if you just push them, they'll just softly close no matter how hard you do that, okay? Man, just open spacing. I mean, look at the windows. There's just so much window, so many windows in here. You can really feel like you're out in nature, but also just hanging out in the trailer. You got more space right here for storage, a place to mount your TV if you wanted, as well as on the bottom there for storage as well. So yeah, and then there's also space under here. You'll locate your batteries down here too, but you can also just use that for storage in addition to that. The springs on these also bear all of the weight, so as you can see, I mean, I know I look like a strong guy, but I mean, for this one, like, you don't really need to be super strong and hold these up. It bears all of the weight, so you can just put it up and down at ease. So guys, if you really like this trailer, I really like this one. I think that it'd be good for like a small, maybe just like a couple or a single person or whichever. If you are interested in this unit, feel free to give me a call, okay? My phone number is 541-799-8794. Again, my name is Kyle, and I would love to talk to you, okay? Thanks. Have a great day.